StudyMojo.com.
Next is question number 7 from exercise 6.3. The question is, in the figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Altitudes AD and CE. Altitudes AD and CE. AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the points P. We have to show that first part, triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. Second part, triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Third part, triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. Fourth part, triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. First part AEP similar to CDP, second part ABD similar to CBE, third AEP similar to ADB, PDC similar to BEC. These are the four parts we have to prove. For the figure, this is triangle ABC and altitude, one altitude is CE is an altitude. CE is an altitude and the next altitude is AD. AD and CE. This is another altitude. Here it is 90 degree, here also it is 90 degree. For the first part, we have to consider triangle AEP. This is the point P. AEP and CDP. This is the triangle CDP. We are proving the first part. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP, angle AEP is equal to, that means this angle AEP is equal to angle CDP. Reason, each is 90 degree. Each angle is of 90 degree because AD is an altitude and CE is also an altitude. Therefore, angle AEP is equal to 90 degree and angle CDP is also equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle AEP is equal to angle CDP, which is equal to 90 degree. That means each is 90 degree. And angle APE and APE. Angle APE means this angle is equal to angle CPD. The reason is angle APE and CPD are one pair of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. These two much, this is necessary. This is only sufficient for we have to prove the triangles are similar. These two equalities are sufficient for us to prove triangle AEP and CDP are similar by A similarity criterion. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. The reason is A similarity criterion by A similarity criterion. First part is over. Now we are going into the second part, proof of second part. Second, in triangle ABD and triangle CBE and triangle CBE. Which are the two triangles? ABD. ABD, the larger triangle ABD, and CBE. CBE, this triangle. In these two triangles, angle ABD, angle ABD is equal to angle CBE, angle CBE. Look into the figure. Angle ABD means this angle, and CBE, angle CBE is also the same angle. So the reason is common angle. The reason for this equality is common angle. Common angle. Now we need one more equality, that is angle ADB means this angle. Angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to angle CEB, this angle. Angle CEB. Angle CEB. The measure of angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree because AD is an altitude, and angle CEB, this angle is also equal to 90 degree because CE is also an altitude. Therefore, angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Angle CEB is also equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle ADB is equal to angle CEB equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the reason is each is 90 degree. Each is 90 degree. Now, these two equalities are sufficient or enough to prove that triangle ABD and CBE are similar triangles by a similarity criterion. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. The reason is a similarity criterion. Then second part is also over. Now we are going into the third part. Third one, AEP and ADB. These are the two triangles. We are considering AEP and ADB. In these two triangles, we are taking angle AEP. Angle AEP. Angle AEP. Consider triangle AEP. Triangle AEP and triangle ADB. In these two triangles, angle AEP is equal to angle ADB. See the figure. The measure of angle AEP is equal to 90 degree and ADB is also equal to 90 degree because CE is an altitude and AD is an altitude. So the reason for this equality is each is 90 degree. Each is 90 degree. This is the reason. Now, angle PAE means this angle. Angle PAE. Angle PAE is equal to angle DAB. DAB means DAB is the same angle, is equal to angle DAB. Angle PAE and angle DAB are of the same angle. Therefore, the reason of this equality is common angle. Common angle. These two equalities are sufficient to prove that triangle AEP and triangle ADB are similar triangles. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB by a similarity criterion. Here also it is a similarity criterion. by a similarity criterion. So third part is also over. Now we are going to prove the fourth part. Consider triangle PDC. Triangle PDC means PDC, this small triangle. Triangle PDC and triangle BEC. BEC means BEC, this triangle, and triangle BEC. PDC and BEC. Now, in these two triangles, measure of angle PDC means PDC, this angle, measure of angle PDC is equal to measure of angle BEC. BEC means BEC, this angle, measure of angle BEC. Reason, angle PDC is equal to 90 degree and angle BEC is also equal to 90 degree. Therefore, both the angles are equal. Each is 90 degree is the reason. Each is 90 degree. Each is 90 degree is the reason. And now angle PCD. Angle PCD means this angle. Angle PCD. Angle PCD is equal to angle ECB. ECB is the same angle. ECB is the same angle. Angle ECB. The reason, both the angles are same. Therefore, the reason is common angle. This is the reason. These two equalities are enough to prove that triangle PDC and triangle BEC are similar. Triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. The reason is by a similarity criterion. A similarity criterion. So, in all the four cases, we are proving the two triangles are similar with the help of or by a similarity criterion. A similarity criterion. Hence, we proved all the four results. Hence, proved all the four results. Do mark these type of questions as important and study it well by writing. Okay.